In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Instagram link to Google My Business. This is a quick but really useful update you can make to your business profile so that customers can easily find and follow you on Instagram directly from Google search. I'll walk you through each click so you can follow along on your own computer. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type the exact name of your business, the same way it appears on your Google business profile. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that manages your business, because the editing options will only appear for the account that owns the profile. Once the search results load, you should see your business profile appear, usually on the right side of the screen on desktop or at the top on mobile. Above the profile details, you'll see a row of management options. Look for the option that says Edit Profile and click on it. When you click Edit Profile, a pop-up or panel will appear on the screen. This is where you can change your business details, like your description, hours, and contact information. At the top of this pop-up, you'll see different tabs. Go ahead and switch to the tab labeled Contact. Inside the Contact tab, scroll until you find the section called Social Profiles. Click on Social Profiles, and that section will expand. You'll now see two fields side by side, a drop-down menu on the left and a text field on the right. Click on the drop-down menu and you'll see a list of platforms you can connect. From that list, select Instagram. After you select Instagram, move over to the text field. Here, you'll enter the full web address of your Instagram profile. That usually looks like http://www.instagram.com, your username. It's a good idea to copy the link directly from your Instagram page to avoid any typos, then paste it into this field. Once your Instagram URL is in place and you've checked that it's correct, look for the Save button in the pop-up and click Save. Google will process the change, and after a short time, your Instagram link should appear as part of your business's contact or social information on your profile. And that's it. You've successfully added your Instagram link to your Google My Business profile, making it easier for customers to connect with you across platforms.